Welcome back. In lecture 4, we'll explore how Frederick Winslow Taylor laid the foundation for scientific management. While Fayol focused on administration, Taylor focused on increasing efficiency at the operational level or the lower level, the floor level. So, who was F.W. Taylor? He is known as the father of scientific management and he worked at Midway Steel Company. He believed that work should be done using scientific methods, not just guesswork. So, his goal was to save time, reduce waste, and increase efficiency. So, he laid down 4 main principles of scientific management, and here they are on the screen: the science, not rule of thumb; harmony, not discord; cooperation, not individualism; and development of each person. We're going to go through all of these principles one by one. Starting off with science, not rule of thumb. So it talks about using research and observation to set the best way of doing work. So here we are avoiding the traditional methods or the old rule of thumb rather and guesswork. We are focusing on using the data, or you can say secondary information resources, so we can use the best method which will be helpful in performing effectively. So an example of this could be standardizing tools, materials and procedures. This saves time, reduces errors and improves output. The next principle is harmony, not discord. So it talks about building friendly relations with workers and management. So here the main aim is to avoid any conflict and promote teamwork. An example of this could be team building exercises, open communication. When everyone works in harmony, productivity obviously goes up. The next principle is called cooperation, not individualism. So workers and managers should always support each other. They should encourage group efforts over personal goals. An example of this could be setting shared targets and rewards. This creates a sense of shared responsibility. The last principle is called the development of each person. So training should be provided to employees so they can improve their skills. Tasks should be assigned based on ability and potential. An example of this could be on-the-job training. A well-trained worker performs better and feels more confident. So what are the benefits of these principles of scientific management? It obviously gives better time management, it saves time. There is higher productivity, higher output, fair wages for performance, and clear standards of work. Taylor's ideas brought structure and measurement into work systems. So here's a quick recap. Taylor's approach focused on how work is done, used observation, data, and planning. He emphasized on training, cooperation, and standardization. His work laid foundation for industrial engineering and modern operations management. In the next lecture, we will explore how Taylor's principles were put into action through methods like time study, motion study, and more. Till then, thank you.